how are we doing today? Hope you guys are having a great Friday the 13th. Hopefully nothing too sketchy is going on for you. I just wanted to pop on and let you guys know real quick that Judge Eddins did go ahead and recuse himself. So we will be seeing a new judge when Lori goes back to court on May 7th and 8th. On Wednesday, we did get word that Lori's defense team filed a motion to disqualify Judge Eddins without cause. Now, according to Idaho law, this is perfectly legal. It's okay to do it. They can ask the judge to recuse him or herself one time without cause. After this, if they want another judge changed, they're going to have to give specific reason and really argue for it. Mr. Wood did go ahead and clap back on March 12th, which was yesterday, and said, there's really no reason to get a new judge, and he listed out his things, and basically he's just saying, bail was already argued on March 6th. There's no need to get a new judge, so you can, try again. Immediately upon receiving the state's response, Lori's lawyers did go ahead and file their response. So let's go ahead and read this one because this really breaks down what they're arguing, and then we're going to talk about it in just a second. Idaho Criminal Rule 25 allows for the motion for disqualification for without cause to be filed with the court within 7 days after service of a written notice setting hearing on first contested motion. Basically, you can ask for a new judge within 7 days of your initial hearing without any questions. Today being Friday, March 13th is exactly 7 days from her hearing, so they're within that time frame. Motion for disqualification for cause under Idaho Criminal Rule 25 states as follows. The defendant, by way of her attorney, moves to disqualify the judge for cause pursuant to Idaho Criminal Rule 25B. Idaho Criminal Rule 25B provides that any party to a case may disqualify a judge for cause if the judge is biased or prejudiced or against any party or that party's case. This judge is currently presiding over the child protection action, which corresponds with the charges alleged against the defendant in the above referenced case. This poses a conflict and or unfair prejudice with respect to the defendant's right to a fair proceeding. Therefore, the defendant respectfully requests that this judge grant the motion and enter an order for disqualification. Realistically, this was the absolute best choice for him. Considering that he is residing over JJ's guardianship case, there really is no reason for him to be on both. Short term, yeah, everybody's like, oh, LCOX means just sit down, shut up, let justice run its course. But what we don't want to see happen is that in a few months, or let's hope and pray she gets convicted of something, in a few years, she can come back on appeal and say, hey, I had a biased judge, and then we're right back where we started. We definitely want to keep the legal process smooth and clean, play fair, dot all the I's, cross all the T's, and make sure that there's nothing legal that she can come back on at any given point in this whole thing. There was no live stream of this. There was nothing going on. It was all done via video, basically via Skype in the courtroom. So there's really nothing to see. There was a picture of the courtroom posted here. That's all we have of it. The decision was made that the judge is going to go ahead and recuse himself. I think that was the best idea, honest to God. We also did see this week that Lori's defense team filed the motion to waive her right to a preliminary hearing within 14 days of her first appearance. The preliminary hearing has now been rescheduled for May 7th and May 8th. So we've got almost 2 months to sit around and wait, which is fine by me because during that time, that means she's sitting in jail because she still hasn't come up with a way to make bond. There are multiple reasons why she's not making bond, and we're going to talk about that tonight during the live chat. I just wanted to give you guys this quick update about the judge. I hope wherever this video finds you, you're having a fabulous day. Stay safe out there, make good choices, and I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Bye.